Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to copy and paste any image in Photoshop. So let's start. At first open our Photoshop document. Now I can see. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now I can see. Open the picture in Photoshop. Then we keyboard press from Ctrl A. Then again keyboard press Ctrl C. Then going to the page option. Now keyboard press Ctrl V. That is. Now this is the picture in Photoshop. Then again another picture in copy and paste. Now going to the file menu option. Then click. Now click from open option. Now we choose from any picture. Now click. Then click from open option. Now you can see. Open the picture. Now keyboard press Ctrl A. Then again keyboard press Ctrl C. Then keyboard press Ctrl V. That is. Now you can see copy image, copy and paste image in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.